I want to break down how to use Shopify Flow. So if you never heard of Shopify Flow, it's an app built by Shopify, and it's helpful because it lets you set up things that you would normally have to do manually. It does it in the background so that you can focus on more important things and let the app take care of more manual tasks. So for this example, we're going to keep it very simple. What we want to do is set up a flow or a workflow that if a specific product is no longer in stock, we want to send an email to everyone in the team. But we only want to do this if that specific item was created more than a month ago. So we're going to show you how to set that flow, because normally if a product is out of stock, you would have to physically go into the products and check to see if every product is out of stock. But we're going to set up this workflow so that you no longer have to do that. You have this set up streamlined for you. So first, what you want to do is, of course, download the Shopify Flow app off the App Store. But this is how the homepage of the app looks. And so what you want to do is you want to come here and click on create workflow like this. Now, real quick, before we set that up, if you come here, you see that there's templates. So there's a lot of templates already set up here, a lot of helpful templates that you can look through. Maybe if one of these is going to be helpful to you and to your team, you can implement this on your store right from the start. But we're going to go and we're going to create something custom, very simple. I'm going to show you how to do this in this video. So come here, we're going to click on create workflow. The first thing that we want to do is select a trigger. So in this case, our trigger is out of stock. So what we're going to do is we're going to come down here, and you can either type or we can search. So we're going to come in here and we're going to look for product. So let's see. We're going to say product variant out of stock. So in this example, if a specific product variant is out of stock. So let's say you have a product, you sell shirts, and you have variant small, medium, large, extra large. Let's say the large size out of stock. We want to be able to send that email to the team. So we're going to come here, we're going to click product variant out of stock. Then we're going to say then, because something needs to happen. If the product is out of stock, what's going to happen? In this case, we have our condition. We're going to check to make sure that in this case, the product was made more than a month ago. So you notice here we click on criteria because we need to make sure that the criteria is met for this email to be sent. So what we're going to do is we're going to come in here, we're going to type in dates. So we click on product variants, and then click on created at. So this is going to help us to see whether or not the product was created a month ago or an event. So let's click on created at like this. Now it lets us select the date. So we're going to come here, click this calendar icon, select the date, and let's just say we want to do October 1st. So we'll keep it simple. So if the product was created for before October 1st, then we want to okay, let's say actually less than. We want to do less than. So less than means before October 1st. If that variant was created before October 1st, then we want to be able to send this email to our team. So let's come in here and click then. Now we want to set up our action. So we're going to come here. Let's type in now email. Okay, good. So now we come here, send an email notification to our staff. So it's very simple. Then look, then it says you can already have the email addresses, the subject. So now we're going to come in here. We're going to say product variant out of stock like this. And then say, hey team, this variant is out of stock and we need to replenish it as soon as possible. Like this. Very simple. So now we're going to come here, turn on workflow. Turning on workflow will activate automation. We'll turn that on. It says, okay, so obviously we would need to, okay, so we have message. Okay, so yeah, so you would need, so let's just put in an example. I'll put in my email example. So David, Z, like this. Okay, good. So turn on workflow, turn on, everything's good to go. Okay, good. So now you see the workflow is turned on. So if we come here, we click exit workflow, you see this workflow is turned on. So when a product variant is out of stock, if it's created before October 1st, an email will be sent to this team member, in case that's my email, with the information. So let me as a team member know to update this product. This is just a simple example, but I just kind of wanted to be able to walk you through how Shopify Flow works. So maybe you can start brainstorming some use cases of some things that you've already been doing manually. Now you can use technology, use the app to make everything more simple. So I just want to show this with you. If you have any questions, if you need help setting this up, I'd be more than happy to set this up for you. But I hope this video was helpful, and thank you.